Hey guys, going to be doing some mud guards on my 2017 Honda Civic EX. Just ordered them. Actually ordered them on eBay. It was $17.99 for them. It's all four. Going to be doing installation. On the front, you can leave the rim and tire on. You just got to turn it. This is all the space you need. It's just those three screws right there. On the back, we're probably going to have to take out the tire in order to get to them, but we'll see. I have a feeling we're probably gonna, just for space purposes, make it comfortable, might have to take the rear tires off. Alright, gonna start by removing the screws. It's 2 actual metal screws and 2 plastic. I don't even know what you want to call them. I need a flat head for these. The 2 plastic links there. And just delicately pry it because they will break. There it goes. Okay, show everybody what it looks like.
Just grab my hand.
Okay, now here goes the mud guard. You just hold it there, and it has the preset holes for the screws. It's a direct fitment. You don't have to do any modifications. Alright guys, now we're going to be doing the rear. The rear has 3 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, and then 1, I don't know if you can see it there, it's on the bottom. Those 4 screws. The front only had 3, the rear has 4. Just gotta take them off, and then they're gonna go with an exact fitment. The fitment's actually very excellent. Here's the one we already did in the front, and those are the 3 screws. The only complication I had is that one of the hardware screws that came from in the box of the kit I bought does not fit in this top hole. So what I did was I got the factory screw that you can use from those 2, and I put it as the 3rd one because it's a little thinner and a little shorter. And I put one of the ones that came in the box as the middle screw to replace the factory one. I did that because it just fit. The other one would not go in. I was struggling too much, and I was starting to eat up the screw. Now on the back one, I'm going to attempt to do it with the rear wheel on, and if it doesn't work, then we'll end up taking it off, but find out shortly. Alright, so it didn't work with the wheel and tire on, so we're going to take it off now. These cars have a place to put the jack. It's right here. It's a little plate, metal plate, reinforced right directly to the chassis, and you just lift up through there. This 10-minute project is quickly becoming 20 plus minutes, as it usually goes when you're doing it yourself at home. It's cool, these Hondas actually come with a wheel lock from the factory. Take that off. Alright, so we're moving the 3 screws now. It's gonna look good when it's on. It'll go on just like that. Looks like a factory finish. Got my Brembo brakes here. So the one on the bottom is actually just one of those plastic clips again that opens up once you press the button inside. So you use a flathead and just pry it open without breaking it. And that's that. There it is. Make sure it's in the right place. Push it in like a button and it'll stick. That's it. Está puesto. That's it. Just gotta tighten up. And then just start using the screws. I love the fitment. This is probably the easiest thing I've ever installed in the car. Top screw in. There's the final screw. Bottom. Make sure everything's nice and tight. How it's gonna look. I think it looks good. Sorry for the wind. It's Florida here and it's stormy weather today. In about an hour it's gonna be sunny, I guarantee it. But I like how it goes with the contrast of the black and white on the car. It matches perfectly with all the other black accents on the car. And honestly, the real reason for this is obviously just to get rid of all this crap. Because every time it rains, just the black dust just shows up so clearly on my white car. So hopefully this will be eliminated. A quick fix, $20 purchase. See in the back too. Alright guys, sorry for the wind, but there you have it. That was the finished the install. Now I'm going to show you some before and after pictures, but before I do that, I just want to let you know, like, subscribe. There's going to be much more content coming. Have a good day.